everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness. Today I'm veganizing a holiday favorite, or in my case just a favorite in general. I didn't really have scalloped potatoes throughout the holidays, but I would have them for dinner some nights, so I'm very excited to make these. I never had them vegan. I'm not going to be using any vegan cheese. We're going to be making our own with unsweetened almond milk, nutritional yeast, spices, and it's all going to come together in this delicious creamy goodness. These scalloped potatoes make the perfect healthy Christmas side, so I hope you enjoy them. So for the scalloped potatoes, you're going to need, of course, a casserole dish. I have some onions, russet potatoes. I have some parsley flakes for garnish, some garlic powder, some black pepper, some sea salt, nutritional yeast, dairy-free butter, some minced garlic, unsweetened almond milk, veggie broth, and some grapeseed oil for sauteing our onions. And I almost forgot, but we're also going to need some flour. So I'm starting off by slicing up 7 potatoes. And this is how thick you want it to be. And now that all my potatoes are chopped up, I'm going to chop up 1 onion. I'm going to saute this in the pan with a little bit of oil, and I'm also adding some sea salt and black pepper on top, and I'm going to cook them until they're nice and caramelized. And once it's done, I'm going to turn off the heat and add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Now for our sauce, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of dairy-free butter. I added 2 tablespoons of regular butter and then 2 tablespoons of herbed butter. You can make the herb butter yourself. And now I'm adding 4 tablespoons of regular white flour. And I'm cooking this on medium heat, stirring it constantly because you don't want it to burn. Next, I'm adding 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk and 1 cup of vegetable broth. I then put the lid on it and brought it to a slight boil, but that's not necessary. You can just add the seasonings right into it. I added 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1½ teaspoons of sea salt. I sprinkled in a little bit of black pepper, and I added 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then I let it cook down on low-medium heat for about 10 minutes until it thickened. I tasted it, make sure it tasted the way I want it to, being that it did. Now I'm assembling half of the potatoes into my casserole dish. And then I'm going to pour half of the sauce on top of the potatoes. Now I'm adding the onion layer, the rest of the potatoes, and the remaining sauce on top. Now I'm covering it in aluminum foil and I'm going to bake it at 350 for 30 minutes. Then I'm going to uncover it and bake it uncovered for 60 minutes. Look at that delicious bubbling cheese. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to dig into this. Haven't had scalloped potatoes in a long time. Okay, the moment of truth. It's so hot. I just took it out the oven. This is so good. The potatoes are nice and soft, and it's so creamy. I'm trying to hold the bowl without burning my hands because it's so hot. The herbed butter definitely made a big difference. I can taste all those, fresh herbs in here. This is delicious. This will go great with Christmas dinner. With cornbread stuffing, some green beans, green bean casserole, collard greens, whichever you like. And I love the caramelized onions in this. Don't skip out on that. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you make these, feel free to tag me at NomNomToFitness on Instagram or on Twitter. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell button so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And I will see you next time. Bye.